Welcome to Francis Torque Light's JN Series Top Drive Wash Pipe Assembly Hydraulic Wrench Instructional video. In this video, we will highlight the tooling package itself, as well as show you step-by-step how to use the wrench to quickly, accurately, and safely tighten and loosen your existing top drive wash pipe assembly. The Francis Torque Light tooling package for top drive wash pipe assemblies can differ in size based on your particular top drive. A typical tooling package comes with the following: JN Series hydraulic wrench, JN Series operations manual, bottom packing nut adapter, top packing nut adapter, air or electric hydraulic power console operations manual, hydraulic hoses, overhead balancer, aluminum storage box. First, you unlock the quick coupling safety collars, then connect the female hose with the male coupling, as well as connect the male hose with the female coupling. After the hoses are connected, securely fasten hoses to the pump via the remaining safety collars. To start the electric pump, make sure the pump is plugged into an outlet that can produce at least 110 volts at 60 Hertz. Once the pump is plugged in, it simply takes a push of the power button to start the pump or turn it off. Make sure that the air hose is securely connected first before attempting to turn on the pump. To start the air pump, simply turn the handle towards the crow's foot. You will need an air supply of 50 CFM at 90 psi to effectively run the pump. To turn the pump off, simply return the handle to its original resting position, perpendicular to the air supply. The JN Series wrench runs off of a 10,000 psi system. We recommend for maximum efficiency that you operate the tool between 2,000 and 8,000 psi. You can adjust the psi via the pressure release valve to achieve a very specific foot-pound output. Simply turn clockwise to increase the psi, or turn counterclockwise to decrease the psi. For every Francis tool, a certain psi equals an accurate and consistent amount of foot-pounds. Also, please remember that we strongly recommend an adjustable 10,000 psi pump with an advance hold and retract feature. Because this wrench is not a ratcheting wrench, it is key that you, the operator, be able to control advancing and retracting of tool for maximum safety and efficiency. To properly hook the JN Series wrench up to your air or electric-powered 10,000 psi pump, you repeat the earlier steps of hooking the hoses up to the tool as opposed to the pump. Simply plug the hoses in and lock them down. To unlock the JN Series patented split head, push the Scott pin out and allow the head to pivot open, allowing you access around the wash pipe. Once access is achieved, simply close the head and push the Scott pin in to lock the head into place. To advance or stroke the tool out, push upwards on the remote control button. Push down on the remote control to return or stroke back in the tool. The JN Series wrench comes with two adapters, one for the top packing nut and one for the bottom. The bottom adapter works very easily. Simply grab handles on the side and pull open. Once the adapter is in place, close it around the wash pipe and comfortably situate it on the bottom packing nut. This will take only a few seconds. The top adapter is just as simple. Just open the bungee cord and allow the adapter to split into two. To close the adapter, push it back together, allowing the keys to slide together, and then refasten the bungee cord. Securing this adapter around the top packing nut is just as easy. Simply place one of the halves on the top packing nut and then slide the other half of the adapter on, allowing the keys to fit together. Then you easily pull the bungee cord around the adapter and lock it into place. Before our tool, all kinds of slow, inaccurate, and very unsafe ways were implemented to tighten and loosen the wash pipe assemblies on top drives. Everything from lost time on rigs to severe injuries has taken place as a result of these outdated methods for dealing with wash pipe assemblies. Current methods of loosening and tightening wash pipe assemblies was even voted one of the 5 most dangerous things happening on drilling rigs. With our wrench, all this is eliminated. Install the bottom adapter. Then bring the JN series wrench into the wash pipe assembly with the head open. Close the head and lock it down using the Scott pin. After that, simply slide the head onto the hex at the top of the adapter. Packing nuts are left threaded, so to loosen the bottom packing nut, make sure the wrench is positioned to react on the right side of the wash pipe assembly window. Once the wrench is on the adapter, use the remote control to stroke the tool out and begin to loosen the packing nut. It only takes 1 to 2 strokes to loosen the bottom packing nut. If another stroke is required, simply retract the wrench, lift it off of the hex, repositioning it back on the adapter, and stroke out once again. To tighten the bottom packing nut, simply do the exact opposite. Position the wrench so that it can react on the left side of the wash pipe assembly window. Bring the JN series wrench into wash pipe assembly with the head open. Lock it down, slide it onto the adapter, and stroke the tool out using the remote control. This also only takes a few strokes, and then you have achieved a fast, accurate, and safely torqued wash pipe assembly. Please remember, for tightening, make sure that the wrench is positioned to react on the left side of the wash pipe assembly. To loosen the top packing nut, first you must install the top adapter using the steps stated earlier. Make sure to position the wrench so that it can react on the left side of the wash pipe assembly window. Then move forward with the JN series wrench into the wash pipe assembly, again with the head open. Then close and lock the head around the wash pipe. Next, you simply slide the wrench onto the hex at the bottom of the adapter and stroke the tool out using the remote control. This will also only take 1 or 2 strokes. For an additional stroke, slide the tool off of the hex and completely retract the tool. Next, simply put the tool back on the adapter and stroke out again. It is that easy. To tighten the top packing nut, position the wrench so that it can react on the right side of the wash pipe assembly window. Bring the JN series wrench into the wash pipe assembly with the head open. Lock it down, slide it onto the adapter, and stroke the tool out using the remote control. Again, this only takes a few strokes, and then you have achieved a fast, accurate, and safely torqued wash pipe assembly. We at Francis Torque Light would like to thank you for viewing our JN Series Top Drive Wash Pipe Assembly instructional video. We feel confident that our patented and revolutionary wrench, which is guaranteed for life, will be everything we say it is for your operation and more.